Dexscreener is a tool to monitor live trading data on decentralized exchanges. Connecting your Binance wallet lets you track trades, holdings, and pair performance in real time. This doesn't involve a direct app link, but rather using your wallet's public address. Simply navigate to Dexscreener's Wallet section, enter your Binance wallet address, and select the correct blockchain like BSC for Binance Smart Chain. Dexscreener will then display your wallet's activity, including trades, token balances, and profit loss, without needing your private keys. This process is safe as it's read-only and only uses your public address. Once paired, Dexscreener updates in real time, showing your wallet's interactions with DEXs like PancakeSwap or Uniswap. You'll see metrics like volume, price changes, and liquidity pools. Make sure your Binance wallet is connected to the correct network, such as BSC, to avoid errors. Remember, Dexscreener does not store private data, emphasizing security. Keep an eye out for multi-chain tracking features that allow you to pair wallets across different networks. Wallet tracking enhances user engagement and empowers users with transparency.